Another day, another story. There are numerous popular get-rich-quick money-making ideas that constantly pop up, ranging from online lottery to stuffing envelopes at home. Do they have any effect? Not at all. Will you profit from it? Maybe. However, your 9-to-5 job would most likely pay you more. At the very least, it's a guaranteed paycheck. The truth is that there are legitimate ways to make money online, and millions of people do so every day. There are numerous business ideas you can try at home using your laptop and a reliable internet connection, ranging from freelance digital nomads to savvy marketers to aspiring entrepreneurs. So, let's go over some legitimate ways to make money online. 28 real ways to make money online. 1. Begin dropshipping. Let's begin with one of the most popular ways to make money online. Dropshipping's popularity is growing, indicating its viability as a business model, according to Google Trends. There's plenty of proof that dropshipping is a legitimate way to make money online, with success stories like how an entrepreneur made $6,667 in 8 weeks or how a store owner made 6 figures selling just one product. If you're unfamiliar with dropshipping, it's a business model in which you sell a product to a customer, but the supplier stores, packages, and ships the product on your behalf. Shopify dropshipping gives you access to millions of products that you can sell in your store. Some Shopify dropshipping apps allow you to handpick your product images, edit item descriptions, and give your business a personalized feel so that customers enjoy shopping with you. What is the best way to make money with dropshipping? Most business owners have concentrated on a few marketing strategies. Running Facebook advertisements. Influencers promoting their products. Sending social media direct messages, DMs, to potential customers. Ready to open a store but lacking inventory? Handshake is a marketplace for online entrepreneurs to purchase products at wholesale prices. 2. Consider using print on demand. Another popular way to make money online is through print on demand, POD. Because it has lower overhead than other businesses, many people have adopted this business model. Print on demand is similar to dropshipping in that you do not need to keep inventory or ship products to customers. However, there are 2 minor differences. To begin, you can create your own custom products, which is excellent for brand recognition. Second, rather than a wide range of categories, you can select specific items. Most print-on-demand companies sell products that are simple to customize, such as t-shirts, mugs, and tote bags. What is the best way to profit from your print-on-demand business? Marketing channels that are free. Your best bet would be to promote your products for free on Instagram and Pinterest, as well as through social media influencers with high conversion rates. You can get a comprehensive overview of print-on-demand versus dropshipping by watching us engage in a healthy debate with Wholesale Ted about the advantages and disadvantages of each business model. Profit from print-on-demand. 3. Earn money through affiliate marketing. One of the most popular ways to make money online is through affiliate marketing. Its popularity has risen and fallen over the years, but it remains a reliable way to earn money on the internet. The best part about affiliate marketing is that you can partner with a wide range of companies, including Shopify, Amazon, Uber, and Fun. Affiliate marketing allows you to make money by promoting other people's products. You can earn a commission from sales by promoting retail products, software, apps, and other services. While a commission may appear insignificant, keep in mind that you can be an affiliate for multiple brands and include multiple affiliate links in a single blog post. If you truly want to make money online through affiliate marketing, you should concentrate on content marketing. By creating a blog with several pages of high-quality content, you create an asset that is uniquely yours. Place affiliate links strategically in your blog posts to drive traffic to your affiliate partner's website. 4. Create a YouTube channel. You can make money on YouTube if others can. Jimmy Donaldson, aka Mr. Beast, who uploads bizarre stunts on his YouTube channel, is the highest paid YouTuber, earning $54 million in 2021. Jake Paul, who has made $45 million on YouTube by sharing high-energy prank videos and boxing content, is another high earner. His YouTube and boxing fame enabled him to leverage his influence to earn money online in addition to his YouTube earnings. To build a strong, loyal audience, your YouTube channel should focus on a single niche. You can, for example, make makeup tutorials, stream video games, review products, teach skills, make prank videos, or anything else you think will appeal to an audience. The key to making money on YouTube is to make content that people want to watch. Make clever headlines to entice people to watch your videos, and include keywords in your description to optimize for YouTube search. Once you've reached 1,000 subscribers, you can start monetizing your channel with YouTube ads. YouTube can help you make money. 5. Make yourself an influencer. Creating a personal brand can also assist you in making money online. Did you know that soccer star Cristiano Ronaldo charges an average of $880,259 to $1 million for a sponsored Instagram post? While reality stars, singers, and athletes may appear to be the most powerful influencers, keep in mind that even small-scale influencers can make more money today than they did a few years ago. To become an influencer, you must first amass a sizable following. What are the best platforms to start with? TikTok and Instagram. Some of the most powerful non-celebrity influencers often got their start on these platforms. If you want to build a large Instagram audience, you should look into how to get more Instagram followers. You can charge for sponsored posts, open your own online store and sell products, include affiliate links in your bio, sell your photos, sell ads on your own podcast, make and sell merch, get paid to appear at events, and more to make money as an influencer. 6. Make an online course. One of the best ways to make money online is to sell courses. If you are an expert in a field, you can monetize your knowledge by creating online courses. You can sell your course on Udemy or through your own website if you already have a following. With online courses, some entrepreneurs can earn up to $5,000 per month. Take inspiration from trending courses in your niche to create a popular and successful course. Then read the reviews. What are the aspects that people like, and what do they dislike? How do you make something better than what has already been made? Concentrate on creating content that addresses the most common complaints while emulating the positive aspects that people love. The platform on which you sell your course will determine how much money you make. You don't need to do much to promote your course if you sell it on Udemy. It's almost as if you can set it and forget it. Perhaps promote it on some blogs or social media networks. If the course is hosted on your own website, you may want to run advertisements to promote it. You can also use email to promote future courses without paying for marketing. How to earn money online through courses. 7. Create an ebook. It's never been easier to publish an ebook with Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. Simply write the ebook, format it, design an ebook cover, publish it, and promote it. In 2013, I published several ebooks on Amazon, and while they didn't make me rich, they did make me some money. You have the option of hiring a writer for your ebook, a graphic designer for the cover, and a manuscript editor to remove errors from the content. When researching the topic, concentrate on keywords based on popular Amazon searches. I frequently use the keyword tool, which allows you to find the words people use when searching and tailor your title to them. Focus on marketing tactics that have been shown to attract customers to generate sales for your ebook. You could, for example, give away the first few copies of your book for free. This helps you generate social media buzz and get some reviews, which helps you gain customers through social proof. Influencer marketing and video campaigns are two other effective ways to promote your ebook.